Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here. And sometimes I get even more than that. All right, so it's July 10th, Friday. So I wasn't able to record audio during my trading. I thought I was recording audio, but I wasn't. So I have to do a little recap voiceover on this one, unfortunately. But I'll let you see the trade video, basically how it played out. But in a nutshell, I came onto the computer real quick when I had some time to see if there was any kind of opportunity to jump into real fast. And there was. I was able to get into this stock. The algorithm had switched and indicated a long trade on it. I had permission down here with and the volume agreed. So I jumped into this trade long right here at 12.92. So with a target of 13.08, it fell 1 penny short of that 13.08. And then unfortunately, I didn't really have time to trade today, but this was there. So, and I wasn't going to be able to make it back by time market closed to put my, to make sure I was out of the trade. Now, if I was trading in Thinkorswim, I would have been able to get into this trade and then use my phone to make sure I closed the trade before the end of the day. But with Capital Markets Elite, I don't have that opportunity with this Dash Trader Pro. So basically, once it hit this and it pulled back a little bit, I gave it a second to see if it would push through, knowing that it just broke through a major resistance area right here. So, a lot of times when it breaks through resistance areas, it will come back to retest that resistance. Same thing when it breaks through a support area, it'll come back to retest support. So I ended up just jumping out. I was like, I'm not going to have time for that. If this is going to pull back to retest the resistance area before moving up, I'm not going to have the time. So I just jumped out, took my 8 cents per share. So on this stock, just looking at my trade log here real quick. So we did on this one, 6 cents, 8 cents per share, or 6 cents per share today is what we got on this one. So we're going to close out the week up 49 cents per share. So pretty good week. And so next week we'll be back on Monday. Should be able to trade on Monday. So hopefully we have a good day on Monday. Either way, good week. And this particular stock right here that we traded today, just this one, I traded it on Monday and made 16 cents per share. Traded it again on Wednesday, and on Wednesday was I had to speed bump it, so we lost 16 cents. Then we made 37 cents for a total of 21 cents on the day, and then today we made another 6 cents on that same stock. So pretty good week trading this stock. And again, for those of you who haven't seen my other videos, I trade the same stocks every day. I have a couple on my list, and that's it. I don't use a scanner or anything like that. I don't do any research for news, or I don't care what's going on. I just want to put my same stocks in I trade every day that work good with the algorithm, and then let the algorithm tell me when to jump in and jump out. So that's how it went. All right, everybody, have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. All right.